Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 20 new woodworking tools that make perfect projects possible. From innovative cutting solutions and precision measuring gadgets to time-saving workshop essentials, these tools are designed to improve accuracy, efficiency, and craftsmanship. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate DIYer, these game-changing tools will take your projects to the next level.
Piece Carpenter Pencil. The 14-piece Carpenter Pencil sets combine functionality, durability, and convenience for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. These kits typically include either mechanical or traditional wood pencils, along with useful accessories like sharpeners, refills, and pen holders. The SIGERIO Mechanical Carpenter Pencil set offers precision tools such as deep hole markers, carbide scribes, and multiple lead sizes for various materials. Meanwhile, the Hohen Wood Carpenter Pencil set features sturdy HB pencils with a retractable pen holder. Both sets emphasize versatility, durability, and efficiency, making them ideal for marking on wood, metal, concrete, and ceramic surfaces. Perfect companions for any carpentry project. GOINGMAKE Shelf Pin Jig. The GOINGMAKE G2 Shelf Pin Jig is a precision-engineered tool designed for professional woodworkers and cabinet makers who demand accuracy and efficiency. Made from durable black anodized aluminum alloy, it features 7 hardened steel drill guides for precise, straight holes and long-lasting performance. With standard 32mm hole spacing, it's ideal for adjustable shelving, hinges, and drawer slides. The connectable design allows multiple jigs to align seamlessly for longer drilling runs, while offset options 37mm, 50mm, and 64mm provide versatility. Each kit includes drill bits, a locating pin, a wrench, and a convenient storage box, making it a complete dependable drilling solution. HUEPAR Pro Green Laser Level Tool. The HUEPAR PROGREEN Laser Level Tool is a professional-grade leveling device built for precision, visibility, and versatility on any job site. Using advanced green laser technology with German Osram diodes, it delivers exceptional brightness indoors and outdoors. Its self-leveling 4x360-degree laser planes ensure accurate horizontal and vertical alignment for complex layouts. With an 8000 mAh rechargeable battery, remote control, and rugged IP54 rated design, the HUEPAR Pro offers durability, long runtime, and flawless performance for builders, remodelers, and woodworking professionals. BEAVERCRAFT Wood Carving Kit. The BEAVERCRAFT Wood Carving Kit collection offers high-quality, ready-to-use tools designed for beginners and seasoned wood carvers alike. Each kit features durable high-carbon steel blades, ergonomic wooden handles, and essential sharpening supplies for long-lasting performance. With options for whittling, chip carving, and spoon carving, every set comes with detailed tutorials to guide users step by step. From compact starter kits to deluxe multi-tool sets, BEAVERCRAFT delivers precision, comfort, and reliability, making it a top choice for creative woodworkers on Amazon. SIGERIO 4-in-1 Aluminum Router Jig. The SIGERIO 4-in-1 Aluminum Router Jig is a versatile, precision-engineered woodworking accessory designed to enhance the performance of any router, especially trim routers. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it offers 4 distinct functions: cutting perfect circles, milling grooves, edge trimming and right angle measuring. Its modular design allows quick setup and configuration for different projects, ensuring flexibility and accuracy. Compatible with most handheld routers, the jig provides superior stability and precision. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, cabinet makers, and furniture builders, the SIGERIO 4-in-1. Router Jig is a reliable multi-purpose tool that simplifies complex woodworking tasks with professional-grade results. NDI 7-in-1 Moisture Meter. The NDI 7-in-1 Moisture Meter, model KC316MIX, is a professional-grade tool combining both pin type and pinless measurement technologies for accurate moisture detection in wood, drywall, and cement board. It offers 7 measuring modes for different materials and includes features like mildew, risk indication, ambient temperature, and humidity display. The 2.3-inch backlit LCD screen, ergonomic handle, and safety angle sensor ensure comfort, precision, and protection. With convenient features such as a hold button, alarm, and auto power off, this moisture meter delivers reliable, user-friendly performance for both DIYers and professionals. Kreg Pocket Hole Machine. The Kreg Pocket Hole Machine is a powerful precision-engineered tool that simplifies pocket hole joinery for woodworkers seeking speed and accuracy. The Kreg Foreman DB210 offers one-step operation, adjustable fences, and compatibility with multiple joint types, making it ideal for workshop efficiency. Meanwhile, the Kreg Rebel 20-volt ionic drive delivers cordless freedom with a brushless motor, GripMax anti-slip design, and one-motion drilling. Both models feature tool-free adjustments, clean dust collection, and durable construction, perfect for creating strong, professional-quality joints quickly and consistently. Abrasive Nylon Burnishing Wheel. The Abrasive Nylon Burnishing Wheel is a versatile finishing tool designed for polishing, cleaning, and surface preparation on wood, metal, and plastic. Made from nylon fibers embedded with abrasive grit like silicon carbide or aluminum oxide, it delivers a smooth, consistent satin finish without damaging the workpiece. Its flexible mesh conforms to contours, ensures excellent heat dissipation, and eliminates sparks. Ideal for removing rust, paint, or corrosion. It's widely used in both woodworking and metalworking for creating decorative finishes, blending seams, and restoring surfaces. Available in multiple configurations, these wheels fit grinders, drills, and rotary tools for diverse finishing applications. SEESII Cordless Reciprocating Saw. The SEESII Cordless Reciprocating Saw, model WFJ, is a compact yet powerful cutting tool built for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Powered by a 200-watt high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers up to 3,500 RPM for smooth, fast, and precise cutting across wood, metal, plastic, and PVC. Designed for comfort and convenience, it features tool-free blade changes, dual batteries, a safety lock, and a built-in LED light. Weighing only about 2 pounds, this cordless saw offers unmatched portability, easy handling, and long runtime, perfect for quick repairs, construction projects, and on-the-go tasks. PLUMKING Mitre Clamps. The PLUMKING Mitre Clamps are precision-engineered corner clamps designed to create flawless 90-degree mitre joints in woodworking projects. Featuring a cam action lever mechanism with hardened steel teeth, These clamps apply uniform pressure across the joint for a tight, gap-free fit. Built from chrome-plated carbon steel and aluminum alloy, they deliver long-lasting durability and corrosion resistance. Ideal for picture frames, window casings, and trim work, they simplify assembly with quick one-handed operation. While the strong teeth may leave small indentations on softer woods, the precision and holding power make these clamps an essential tool for woodworkers seeking perfect mitered corners. Wagner SPRAYTECH Sprayer. The Wagner SPRAYTECH sprayer lineup delivers professional quality results for projects of all sizes, offering both HVLP, high volume low pressure, and HEA, high efficiency airless technologies. HVLP models like the FLEXIO and Control QX provide fine, precise finishes for cabinets, furniture, and trim with minimal overspray and easy cleanup. Meanwhile, HEA sprayers, such as those in the Control Pro series, excel at large-scale projects, offering faster coverage, reduced overspray, and to spray unthinned paints efficiently. Wagner also provides specialized and cordless sprayers, making it a versatile choice for both DIYers and professionals seeking precision and power. Metal Concealed Hinge Jig. The Metal Concealed Hinge Jig is a precision-engineered woodworking tool designed for installing 35mm cup-style concealed hinges with professional accuracy. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it offers superior durability, stability, and precision compared to plastic jigs. Adjustable offsets, 3 to 6mm, allow flexibility for various cabinet designs, while built-in bearings ensure smooth, accurate drilling. Many models, like GOINGMAKE and ENJOYWOOD, include quick clamp mechanisms, dust collection adapters, and depth stops for consistent results, making hinge installation faster, cleaner, and more efficient for both professionals and DIY woodworkers. Cordless Brad Nailer. The cordless Brad Nailer is a game-changing woodworking tool that offers power, precision, and portability in one compact design. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it eliminates the need for air hoses and compressors, giving woodworkers unmatched mobility. Ideal for trim, molding, and finish carpentry, it drives 18-gauge nails smoothly and accurately. With features like variable speed, tool-free jam release, dry fire lockout, and LED lighting, this tool ensures clean, efficient results every time, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Proster Digital Angle Finder. The Proster Digital Angle Finder is a precision tool designed for accurate angle measurement in woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. With a measuring range of 0 to 225 degrees, or up to 360 degrees in advanced models, and a precision of plus or minus 0.5 degrees, it ensures reliable results for detailed work. Its backlit LCD display, data hold function, and mechanical lock knob make operation simple and efficient. Built with durable materials and a magnetic base for stability, this tool offers absolute and relative measurement modes, auto shutoff for battery conservation, and portability for on-site or workshop use, making it an essential upgrade for any craftsman's toolkit. BORA Circular Saw Guide. The BORA Circular Saw Guide series, including the NGX, WTX, and Quick Cut systems, ensures precision, speed, and versatility for woodworkers of all levels. Built from heavy-gauge extruded aluminum, these guides deliver straight, accurate cuts while resisting flex or bowing. The integrated quick lock handle provides firm clamping for stable operation, and modular extensions allow for expanded cutting lengths. Compatible with most circular saws, jigsaws, and routers, BORA guides also feature ruler imprints for quick measurements, making them a must-have for efficient, professional-grade results on every project. Makita Cut-Off Tool. The Makita Cut-Off Tool lineup combines power, precision, and safety for both light and heavy-duty applications. Models like the 18-volt LXT 3-inch compact cut-off tool XCM01/DMC300 and 40-volt Max XGT 9-inch power cutter CE003G deliver exceptional performance. With efficient brushless motors, constant speed control, and variable speed options, they ensure smooth, accurate cuts. Safety features include an electric brake, AFT technology, and a lock-off function. Designed with extreme protection technology, XPT, ergonomic grips, and LED lighting, these tools excel in durability and user comfort for professional-grade cutting in any environment. "7-inch black-green aluminum rafter square." The Britain Square. 7-inch black-green aluminum rafter square is a premium multifunctional tool designed for precision, durability, and versatility. Made from thick anodized aluminum and stainless steel, it features laser-engraved markings for long-lasting visibility and integrated level vials for accurate plumb and level checks. Its pivoting arm, with a secure locking mechanism, allows users to set and hold precise angles, including 21 indexed presets. Combining the roles of a speed square, protractor, saw guide, and level. This tool is ideal for framing, roofing, and carpentry, offering professionals and DIYers reliable accuracy in every project.